Morris Minor during a rainstorm. Yeah, it's raining pretty bad now. Whoa, I'm going off the road. Wow, I'm gonna stay pretty far behind this van here. I'm gonna hover there. Oh, I fixed the clutch. There was a thing stuck. There was a stick stuck in it because the car doesn't really have any floors. But I fixed it, so that's good. Let me just pop her into gear. Pull her back here. Turn her off. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you this rainstorm real quick. It's raining pretty bad. I'm going to go in the house. Yeah, it's raining.